Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello,
大家好，我係 Joseph Lee, Lim Zavsiu. Let's have Leo introduce us to another song, a traditional song from the Hakka culture. 我们现在就来介绍一些客家的歌谣好了。
好啊，我今天介绍这个是三腳菜茶戲里面的唱词。
三腳菜茶戲，就采茶嘛，对不
对？对。
三腳是三个，
它就是那个手脚的脚，三腳菜茶戲，就是有三个人来。就是演这出戏。
Okay. So this is going to be taken from a play that is known as the tea picking play. It's played by 3 people.
我今天介绍这一段叫做卖茶郎。
Tea selling man. All right. 好，来跟我们念一下歌词。
好，阿哥卖茶到台湾，漂洋過海甚艱難。人講台灣前河川，忙地川嘅人往前。阿哥賣茶轉廈門。廈門接下亂款款，好得阿哥時運轉，太平無事轉家中。
那它其中的意思到底是什么呢？
这首歌词它讲的就是以前的人以为说到台湾来，台湾是宝岛，到这边来卖茶会比较好赚，结果没想到要过的台湾海峡是九死一生啊，赚的其实是个阎王钱，很难赚的。后来他卖茶卖完之后呢，就回到厦门。那厦门其实那时候可能是因为时局的关系，所以有点动乱，但因为他的运气很好，后来他赚到钱之后呢，就回到故乡衣锦荣归了。
So this is a story about a man who came across from China to Taiwan to sell tea because he heard it's very lucrative over here. And it is true, but at the same time, it is very dangerous to cross the strait back in the days, as a lot of people have died in doing so. As he made more business, made more money, he returned back home to the port of China, which is called Xiamen, and made even more money there to sell more goods, more tea, and went back home, probably a rich man and very successful. Leo, 我们里面有几个单字呢，我们挑出来教大家好了。
好啊。
The first one, tea. 这个茶这一定要教嘛。
茶。
Then there's Taiwan.
台湾
That's Taiwan. And then 里面有一个漂洋过海，我很喜欢这个词怎么说？
漂洋过海。
All right, that's a very poetic term, and it means crossing the ocean or sailing across the ocean. All right, it seems like back in the days it's very dangerous to come across here to Taiwan, but not anymore. And I hope you learned a little bit more about the Hakka culture. 下次真的要用唱的 ，OK, Leo?
好啦。
That does it for today's Sing or Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.